Have you ever craved a flavor that dances between sweet and savory? Well, tonight we're creating a culinary masterpiece that does just that. This isn't your average jam, perfect for elevating everything from cheese boards to grilled meats. Let's start with our star ingredient, the sunshine fruit itself, the pineapple. We want about a cup of fresh diced pineapple. Remember, a little goes a long way with the pineapple because its natural sweetness will be the backbone of our jam. Now for the magic touch, the humble onion. We'll need about 2 medium or 1 large onion, thinly sliced. Here's a tip. Chill the onions for 15 minutes before chopping. It reduces the enzymes that cause those watery eyes. In a large pan, we'll heat up some olive oil over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, add those beautiful onions. We want to caramelize them slowly, stirring occasionally until they turn a rich golden brown. This caramelization process is what gives the jam its deep, savory flavor. Be patient, friends. The reward is worth the wait. Look at those gorgeous onions. Now it's time to introduce our pineapple party. Add that diced pineapple to the pan and let it mingle with the caramelized onions for a couple of minutes. Now to create that perfect balance of sweet and tangy, we'll add some brown sugar. The brown sugar adds depth and complements the caramelized onions beautifully. A splash of apple cider vinegar cuts through the sweetness and adds a delightful complexity. Let this mixture simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Think of it as a magical potion bubbling away, waiting to unleash its deliciousness. Add ground white pepper and a pinch of salt. Let's get our jars ready for their flavorful future. Sterilize by boiling them for a few minutes. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving a little headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean and seal the jars tightly. And there you have it, folks, your very own creation. This versatile condiment can be enjoyed on crackers with cheese, served alongside grilled chicken or pork. This jam is a true testament to the magic that happens when seemingly opposite ingredients come together.